A new era of luxury. Introducing the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE is here and it's about to blow your socks off. Picture this, you're cruising down the motorway, turning heads left and right. That's the GLE effect. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Mercedes has pulled out all the stops with this one. From its sleek exterior to its plush interior, from its safety features to its heart-racing performance, this GLE has it all. So are you ready to dive in and see what makes the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE the talk of the town? Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Sleek and sophisticated exterior design overhaul. The moment you lay eyes on the 2025 GLE, you know you're looking at something special. Mercedes has given it a proper makeover. It's like they've sent it to a spa. The front grille is bold and brash, and those LED headlights are works of art. The GLE's profile is more streamlined now with a gently sloping roofline. The rear end features slimmer taillights connected by a chrome strip, giving it a wider look. And those dual exhaust tips, they hint at the power lurking under the bonnet. The 2025 GLE's exterior is a masterclass in design, modern, sophisticated, and unmistakably Mercedes. Comfort redefined. Step inside the GLE's lavish interior. The 2025 GLE's interior is like stepping into a five-star hotel suite on wheels. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The dashboard is a technological wonderland with a massive touchscreen and a customizable digital instrument cluster. The 2025 GLE is cavernous, with plenty of room to stretch out. The panoramic sunroof makes the cabin feel even more open and airy. The boot is big enough to swallow a small country. The air vents are finished in brushed aluminum, and the ambient lighting system offers 64 colors. Every surface you touch feels premium. It's not just an interior, it's an experience. Safety first, cutting-edge features for peace of mind. The 2025 GLE is packed with more safety features than a space shuttle, ensuring that you and your loved ones are always protected. The 360-degree camera system gives you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from the car in front, even in stop-and-go traffic, reducing the stress of long drives and heavy traffic. Lane keeping assist gently guides you back into your lane if you start to drift, providing an extra layer of safety on long highway journeys. Active blind spot assist can actually steer you away from potential collisions, giving you confidence when changing lanes. Pre-safe sound plays a short interference signal if it detects an imminent collision, preparing your inner ear for the loud noise of an impact, which can help reduce hearing damage. A suite of airbags ensures maximum safety, deploying in milliseconds to protect you from all angles. In the 2025 GLE, safety isn't just a feature, it's a philosophy. Every aspect of the vehicle is designed with your well-being in mind. It's like having a personal bodyguard that never sleeps, always vigilant and ready to protect you from any danger on the road. Power and performance. What's under the hood? The 2025 GLE offers a range of engines to choose from, catering to different driving preferences and needs. The base model comes with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, pumping out an impressive 255 horsepower, ensuring a spirited drive. For those seeking more power, the 3-liter inline-six churns out a robust 362 horsepower, delivering a smooth yet exhilarating performance. There's also a plug-in hybrid option, which ingeniously combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, offering both efficiency and power. For the speed demons and performance enthusiasts, the AMG variant is the ultimate choice. It packs a twin turbocharged V8 that produces over 600 horsepower, making it a beast on the road. The advanced air suspension system adapts to your driving style and road conditions in milliseconds, providing unparalleled comfort and control. Multiple driving modes allow you to tailor the GLE's performance to your mood and the driving conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets, the 2025 GLE isn't just powerful, it's incredibly versatile. It's like having a magic carpet ride, but with better cornering and handling. The GLE ensures that every journey is as enjoyable as it is thrilling, making it a standout in its class. The future of SUVs. Why the 2025 GLE is a game changer. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE isn't just another SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of motoring. It's the perfect blend of luxury and practicality, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and serene. It's spacious, comfortable, and safe. A proper family car. The hybrid option offers genuine electric range without compromising on performance. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a family road trip, the GLE adapts to your needs effortlessly. Every feature, from adaptive cruise control to augmented reality navigation, is designed to make your life easier. The 2025 GLE raises the bar for what we expect from our cars. The intuitive infotainment system ensures you're always connected, while the advanced safety features provide peace of mind. It's luxurious without being wasteful, powerful without being impractical, and high-tech without being intimidating. The GLE's design is both timeless and forward-thinking, making it a standout in any setting. If you're in the market for a new SUV, check out the GLE. It's not just a car, it's the future of motoring, available today. Experience the innovation, comfort, and performance that only Mercedes-Benz can deliver.